think this is probably more of an obvious one these days. It didn't always used to be the case, but I always try and use const instead of var or let just about everywhere in my code base. Not only does this help with reasoning about what can and can't change from under you when writing your code, it also greatly assists the TypeScript compiler, allowing it to cover your ass in more circumstances than others. I guess the only kind of exceptions to using const everywhere is in tight loops or a very small function where I don't want to have to worry about recursion, or a while loop or something like that, where the scope of the mutation is scoped to a very small area. I do also bend the rules a little bit sometimes for arrays and sets, particularly in performance critical code. For example, I'm working on this project here that I'll talk about in a future video for a Christmas lights decoration that I'm working on at the moment. Get subscribed, by the way, if you want to see this. Where I've got numerous LED strings of lights that all have to update at 60 times a second. So performance critical code here. So with 10 strings updating 60 times a second, 200 LEDs, that's going to be a lot of updates. So here I usually like to use arrays and sets and just direct mutation instead of copying.